Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to delete a folder in Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete a folder in Picsart, first open up your Picsart app on your phone, and after opening your Picsart app guys, on this interface, which is the home interface of Picsart, you land over here, and on this interface at the bottom of the screen you can see a bunch of icons available for us, where there is the plus button available, and at the right side there is the folder or file button available for us. Tap on the folder or the file button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you land over here where all of the folders which you had created on Picsart will be over here. Now in order to delete a particular folder in Picsart, simply tap and hold on the folder which you want to delete, and when this panel appears guys, you can see the delete button at the bottom of the screen over here just above the close. Tap on the delete button and again tap on the delete button, and that folder will be permanently deleted from your Picsart account. And that being said guys, this is how to delete a folder in Picsart. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.